Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for checking back in with the Brandon's Bikes YouTube, Facebook, Instagram page. There's a lot of things you could be doing right now, but you're not. You're here with me, and I appreciate the support. If you like the content that you see, please definitely like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell. That'll let you know every single time I upload a new video. I don't get paid for anything that I do. Honestly, I just do it as a labor of love, and I really get enjoyment out of the interactions that I have with you all, the comments, the likes, and so on and so forth. So please like and subscribe. So if you've been following the channel for any period of time, I started it about, I would say a little bit less than a year ago. But I've had a little bit of run of bad luck. Ended up getting a front flat tire on my trip down to Myrtle Beach. You can check out the Instagram video for that. And then recently I uploaded a video of, actually, of all things, a plastic picnic table that hit me on the interstate. I just uploaded a video to YouTube, so definitely check that one out. But all in all, a bit of bad luck. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm a religious person. If you're not, that's fine, but I am. And every single time I go on a ride, before I hit the road, I say a little prayer. And if there's any good news that could come out of the bad luck that I've had, it's that nothing worse happened. I didn't get into an accident with the front flat, and luckily I kept the bike upright when I got hit by the table. So the good Lord was with me on both of those occasions, and I thank Him for that. So I've been wanting a gremlin bell, I think is what they call it. I think there's some other names for it, but I've referred to it, or I've seen it called a gremlin bell. I've been wanting one for a while, and from what I read online and from what I've been told, somebody has to give you that. You can't go buy that yourself. I know a lot of people out there, they don't believe in them. You know, whether you do or whether you don't, I do. And so I've been wanting one for a while. So my wife just recently got me one, and I actually also got her one last year. And oddly enough, she didn't know this, but oddly enough, we ended up getting them both from the same company. So I want to show those to you right now. So I don't know if you can read that, but the company we actually got these from is Kustom Cycle Parts. That's kustomcycleparts.com. So this is the bell that my wife got me. You can custom make these however you want. They'll print anything you want on there. Obviously this one is black. That side is the eagle. That side is the anchor. For those of you that know, you know, eagles and anchors. And this is the bell that I got my wife. Again, you can customize them. That is a picture of my father-in-law, her father, and then that is the side from me, Love B. So there's a lot of different companies online that you could get these from. This is just one of the ones that I've found, and so far, we haven't ridden with them yet. We're actually getting ready to put them on, but I like the product so far. Kustom Cycle Parts, the quality seems good. The finish seems good. They seem like a heavy-duty bell. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap and plasticky. Contact them. I reached out to the, I believe it was the owner, and had some questions regarding the design upload and the turnaround time and things like that. So far, I like what I see. Highly recommend them. Again, there's, you know, 1,000 other companies out there, but, you know, definitely don't pass them up. All right, so let's go put these bells on. All right, so there is one down. That's my wife's. Put it right on the left side engine guard there. All right, so now my wife's gonna put mine on. All right, and there we go. Eagles and anchors, if you know, you know. All right, so there we have it. We have the install of my Guardian bell. That's the other word I was looking for. I called it a gremlin bell earlier. The other word I've heard is Guardian bell. Gremlin bell, Guardian bell, whatever. Same thing. Got mine installed, got my wife's installed, and you know, with continued prayers for each ride and the Guardian bell, hopefully it will bring me some good luck. And you know, as always, hopefully I stay safe. Hopefully you stay safe too. Until next time, thanks again for checking out Brandon's Bikes. Please definitely like and subscribe. Write some comments. I like interacting with you all. Stay safe, keep the rubber side down. I'll see you around.